This is Brighton from Pilot John International. Just want to talk to you today about a couple of the Start Pac products we have to offer you and what may be best for your hangar. So we're going to kick it off with the Start Pac Mini. Super lightweight, weighing only about 7 pounds. This is great for GPS testing, avionics testing, different stuff like that for those smaller aircraft. It delivers 28.5 volts at 25 amps continuous. No engine starting or battery charging here, just clean, steady DC power in a small package. Next up, we have this 53105M, a little bit bigger, has the same voltage, but a way more output. It's going to be used for bigger aircraft and heavier duty maintenance. This has 105 amps continuous. It's built for larger aircraft and heavier duty maintenance work. Still portable, but designed to handle higher electrical demands. Again, not for engine starts, just reliable power when and where you need it. Next up is going to be the Start Pac GREEN. Now I don't have one here with me, but they are incredible. They're all electric, zero emissions, and quite quiet. They're really good for indoor hangars. You get 100 amps continuous, 200 amps peak, and it rolls on wheels with a handle for easy transport. Great for powering systems without fumes or noise. From the Start Pac Mini to the Start Pac GREEN, Pilot John has got you covered. Head over to pilotjohn.com or contact one of our aviation specialists so you can get started today.